Why is it that you feel like a zombie when you're supposed to be working? But the moment your head hits the pillow, your brain decides it's time to party. You aren't lazy, and you aren't an insomniac. You are just living in the wrong time zone. Your body is fighting a biological war against its own internal clock, and it's losing. Inside your brain, there is a master conductor called the circadian rhythm. It controls every hormone, every energy spike, and every mood swing. Right now, your conductor is drunk, but we can sober him up. In this video, I'm giving you the exact 24-hour neuroscience protocol to reset your internal clock. We are going to fix your morning energy, delete the afternoon crash, and automate your sleep. And step 1 starts the second you open your eyes. Most people start their day by losing the battle. You wake up in the dark, you hit snooze, and you scroll through social media. You just told your brain to be stressed, but your body is still in sleep mode. Here is the golden rule of neuroscience. Sleep doesn't start at night. It starts in the morning. When sunlight hits your eyes, it signals your brain to release a pulse of cortisol. This isn't stress cortisol, it's energy cortisol. It wakes you up, but more importantly, it starts a secret timer that will release melatonin exactly 12 to 14 hours later. Step 1. Get photon food. Within 30 minutes of waking, get outside. And no, a window doesn't count. Windows block the specific light spectrum your brain needs. You need 5 to 10 minutes of direct skylight, even if it's cloudy. This is the on button for your entire circadian rhythm. Step 2. Hydrate, don't caffeinate. Your brain shrinks overnight because it's dehydrated. If you blast it with caffeine immediately, you crash later. Drink 16 ounces of water first. Wait 90 minutes for coffee. Let your natural cortisol wake you up before you add the artificial stuff. You've set the timer, you're hydrated. Now let's face the biggest enemy of the day, the 2 p.m. crash. It hits everyone like clockwork. The afternoon slump. Your focus evaporates, your eyelids get heavy, and you reach for sugar or more coffee. But this isn't a lack of willpower. It's a buildup of a chemical called adenosine. Every minute you are awake, your brain produces adenosine. It's basically sleep pressure. By 2 p.m., the pressure is high enough to make you drag. But most people make it worse with one specific mistake, the lunch coma. Step 3. Strategic fueling. If you eat a heavy carb lunch, pizza, pasta, sandwiches, you spike insulin and serotonin. Serotonin is great for calm, but terrible for focus. It literally sedates you. Save the carbs for dinner. For lunch, prioritize protein and healthy fats. Protein triggers dopamine and norepinephrine, the chemicals of alertness. Step 4. The adenosine flush. If you are fading, do not chug coffee at 3 p.m. That will ruin your sleep tonight. Instead, try NSDR, non-sleep deep rest. It's a 10-minute guided relaxation you can find on YouTube. It tricks your brain into thinking it slept, flushing out some of that adenosine without the grogginess of a full nap. It's a system reboot in 10 minutes. You've survived the slump without caffeine. Now the sun is going down, and your brain is about to switch gears. It's time to prepare for the most important phase, the shutdown. Remember that timer we set this morning? It wants to go off now, but most of us accidentally cancel it. Bright light, especially from screens, tells your brain it is still noon. If you blast your eyes with blue light at 9 p.m., you are chemically crushing your melatonin. You might fall asleep eventually, but the quality of that sleep will be trash. Step 5. The digital sunset. You don't need to live in a cave, but you need to change the angle of the light. The cells in your eyes that detect daytime are mostly at the bottom of your retina. They look up for sunlight. So, turn off overhead lights. Switch to low lamps or floor lights. If the light is dim and low, your brain thinks the sun is set. Step 6. Thermal triggering. Your body needs to drop its core temperature by about 2 to 3 degrees to initiate sleep. Paradoxically, the best way to do this is a hot shower or bath an hour before bed. The heat draws blood to your skin, so when you step out, that heat radiates away, causing your core temperature to plummet. That drop is a biological signal to knock you out. That is the protocol. Morning. Skylight and water. Noon. Protein and a system reboot. Night. Low lights and a cool body. You don't need to fix your whole life overnight. Just try this sync protocol for 3 days. You will realize you weren't lazy or broken. You were just out of rhythm.